Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be looking at the command using which we can exclude the IPs which we don't want to get scanned by the Nmap. Now sometimes it might be possible that you don't want to get scanned few number of IPs while scanning entire networks, okay, or the multiple subnets, okay. So what you can do, you can use this command to exclude these targets from getting scanned by the Nmap. So let's get started with the command. Like, open the terminal and I will be typing the command like I want to scan a subnet. Okay, so for the subnet I am giving nmap 192.168.0 and the CIDR notation, that is 24. Okay, so it will be scanning 256 IPs. Now I want to exclude few of the IPs. Okay, so what can I do? I can simply give a space, then two times minus sign, and type exclude, okay, space, and the IPs you want to get excluded from the 256 IPs. Now you can simply give a specific IP like 192.168.0 dot 200. So what it will do, from the 256 IPs it will exclude this IP from getting scanned. Okay, let me hit the enter and let's see what we are getting the result. Okay, so as you can see there are total number of 256 IPs in a subnet and it has excluded the IP that we have given here. Okay, so it says 255 IPs are there and the 5 hosts are up. Okay, so let me clear this one, and there we can use another uh, example also, that we can exclude the range of IPs. So we can also give the range of IP here, that is let me say 200 to 250. So total number of IPs will get excluded from the 256 IPs, which will be starting from 200 and ending at 250. So let me hit the enter and again look at the results we are getting. Okay, so it says 205 IPs and the 4 hosts are up. Okay, so it has excluded the range of IPs, that is from 200 to 250, and has scanned all the other IPs. Now I also want to share another command. Okay, so in this command we are simply uh, excluding the IPs, right? uh, there can be possible that you have the list of IPs which are stored in text file, and you want to exclude those IPs from getting scanned from that text file. So you can simply give the uh, text file, and it will exclude those IPs from the text file. Okay, so what we can do, you have to simply change the command here and say the final command goes like nmap the entire subnet, which is I'm showing for the example here. Okay, and we want to exclude the file. Okay, so I'm for example taking this targets txt, and I'm excluding the target IPs inside this text file. So what I will do, nmap the IP which we want to scan, space, two time minus, exclude file. Okay, so we'll be typing this command, that is exclude file, space, and the location of the target file, that is desktop forward slash targets.txt, which is our file here. Okay, Let me hit the enter and let's see what we are getting. Okay, it says 252 IP address, and IP address is, and for the four hosts are up. Okay, let us check how many number of IPs which belongs to this subnet. Okay, so let me open this one. Okay, we are getting here. Okay, so there are 252 IPs, and here there are total number of IPs from subnet 0 are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we add this number to 252, then it becomes 256. So Nmap have excluded these IPs from getting scanned and only have scanned those IP which are belonging to this subnet. So in this way, we can exclude a specific IP, or we can exclude a range of IPs. Also, we can exclude IPs which are in the text file. Okay, so you can use this command for excluding the specific IPs.